Joe Rogan opens his anti-cancel culture club. Anti-cancel culture club. ACCC.
ACCC.
ACCC in Austin. So it's called Comedy Mothership. I had no idea he was doing this. He's launching his own comedy club. Probably
He's always wanted to do that.
Maybe with some other partners or just himself. The comedian and podcaster's longtime passion project, Comedy Mothership, has finally opened its doors. You can't fire me from my own club.
Okay, fair enough.
Yes, true. Comedy Mothership is the comedian and podcaster's effort to launch what he's described as an ideal venue for comics in an effort to terraform the Texas capital into a major live comedy hub. When tickets for the opening week of shows went on sale for a surprisingly reasonable $40 per person, they sold out within minutes. Tickets are being resold online now for $500. How about that for a little scalper's margin? The venue's theme is aliens meet Art Deco. There's a UFO above the door in the lobby, warnings that hecklers will be alienated, and a Stargate-like arch over the main stage. The theater is awash in black and purple, and by Austin comedy standards, it's easily the coolest-looking venue in town. I know he's talked extensively on his show about the optimal comedy club and having like strong feelings about how many seats it should have, how intimate it should be, how high the ceiling should be, like just the kind of ideal comedy club experience for the performer and for the audience to create the right atmosphere. And so I assume all those things came into play as this was being designed and developed. Yeah. Now, obviously, you're kind of stuck with having to deal with the way the premises already is. You're going to have to kind of work around it. It looks like it's built into an older building. And if you've ever been to Austin, Texas, where's the location of this? It looks like it's downtown. 6th Street, yeah. 6th Street Entertainment District. You have really old buildings over there. You're going to have to go in there and kind of work with the bones that you're dealing with. But anti-cancel culture, of course, if it's Rogan's club, that's what you have to assume. How many people would you say fit in that club? Look at that.
Roseanne Barr
was happy to join on stage. What do you think, Will? How many people is that in that club? It looks like a
couple hundred.
I think it's a good size.
Yeah.
Is it a couple hundred? I mean, I don't know if we're seeing everyone. I don't know if there's
maybe there's a second floor. Maybe not. I don't know. 10,
20, 30, 40, 50, maybe 150.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know. I'm going through. Oh, there's a little deck, a kind of high up area, bar area. I like those. That would be me. I'd be in those seats on the left.
Okay.
That's where I would be. It's intimate. Look how close to the stage you are. That's an intimate comedy club right there.
Oh, yeah. It's a very short stage.
Look how close you are. It's a stool. You're right there. You got the arch going over the top. So anyway.
Alien artifacts.
Congrats, man. Congrats on that. That's fun. That's really cool.
That's kind of his dream, right?
I think it's really cool. Now, obviously, you have the club, so you can create the hub, and you have more people coming through the city now with a place to stop, and they know it's going to be a friendly environment. Go there, go do Rogan's podcast, promote the show up at the Mothership later on. What a system.
It's a great deal.
What a deal.
Yeah.